Hello! In this video, I will show you how to configure the PDF Creator add-on in ARMember. Go to the ARMember add-ons page. This is the ARMember built-in modules and add-ons page. Now activate the PDF Creator add-on. The add-on has been activated successfully. Now click the Configure button. Now scroll down to the PDF Creator section at the bottom. This is the PDF Font Settings section. Here you can see two options: Google Font API Key and PDF Fonts. The Google Font API Key is used to enable Google Fonts in PDF documents, and the PDF Fonts option allows you to select default or Google Fonts for PDF documents. Now go to the front-end Member Panel page. This is the Member Panel page. Now open the Membership Card tab. This is the membership card. Hover over the card and you will see a new PDF option. Click the PDF icon. This is the Membership Card PDF. Here you can download and print your membership card. Now go to the backend email notifications page. This is the standard email notifications page. Here you can see the standard email notifications. Open the Advanced Email Notifications tab. This is the Advanced Email Notifications page. Here you can also create custom email notifications. This is the Add New Response page. Configure the new response, select the Send On option, and choose the membership plans. After that, create the email message using email template tags. Enable the Attach Membership Card PDF and Attach Invoice PDF options. Once enabled, the Membership Card PDF and Invoice PDF will be automatically attached to the email. Now click the Save button to save the new response. The new response has been saved successfully. Now go to the front end and purchase a new plan. Open the Setup Form page. This is the Setup Form page. Now purchase the Platinum or Gold plan. This is the Sign-up form. Enter the required details. Now select the payment method and click the Submit button. Enter the card details and click the Pay button. The plan has been purchased successfully. Now go to your email inbox. See, this is the email. Here you can see the plan purchase details along with two attachments, the Membership Card PDF and the Invoice PDF. That's it. This is how you can configure the PDF Creator add-on in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.